As the name suggests, a cam indexer is definitely used to index something, and one type of indexer that you may relate to in your daily life is the video indexer. It is actually a kind of software, with what we want to understand today is actually two kinds of items. Cam indexer is more often seen in factories, mainly used for indexing materials or used to deal with some of the more common materials in some of the successive problems. Its role is still more obvious, of course, we are certainly not familiar with it. Currently on the market for the specific use of cam indexer industry number is relatively large, basically involves the material indexing industry will use to the indexer. Cam indexer with other indexer, the biggest difference lies in the cam, which is equivalent to other indexers, have a more obvious characteristics. So there are some differences in the actual use, if you want to buy, or to understand, under the specific scope of its use and the use of some of the issues that need attention. After all, the subtle differences for the production is also a relatively large impact. Cam indexer in the indexer is also a relatively common one, so if you want to buy, you can prioritize it, and most occasions are applicable, basically can meet most of the needs of everyone.
I don't wanna fall in love.